Hello, welcome to Crash Course Earthquakes. My name is Alex Rano and we're gonna be talking about earthquakes. So, earthquakes, they happen like 12,000 to 14,000 times a year, but it's not really something bad because most of them are not harmful. Like, unless they are very high in magnitude, they are. Like the biggest one we've had on Earth is the one in Chile from 1960, which was 9.5 of magnitude, which is the highest we've ever had. And according to Wikipedia, it says that the maximum was of 12. I don't understand what that means, but that's what Wikipedia says. So in El Salvador, it is estimated that there's an earthquake about once, like a big earthquake, like about once every 20 years. So like, yeah. We're gonna go for some interviews right now to see what people think about earthquakes. So right now we have Ariana Rivera here, and we're gonna listen to what she thinks about earthquakes. So, do you think earthquakes are bad for the planet?
Yes, I think they're really bad.
I would agree. Where do you think the biggest earthquake was?
I think it was in Chile.
Oh, that's correct. Very smart. Like, around how many earthquakes do you think happen a year? Like,
Ooh, I would say like 3,000.
That's a solid guess. Thanks a lot. So right now we're interviewing none other than Miss Cristales. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Great. Do you think earthquakes are bad for the planet?
At the beginning I thought that, but I studied civil engineering and they explained to us that every certain time there are earthquakes that let the increment of the population decrease and natural disasters that help to balance things in the world. But it is, yes, the earthquake is nobody is happy to have an earthquake.
Well, that's a very good answer. I didn't think about that. Where do you think the biggest earthquake was?
Oh my God, it should be in a huge place. Maybe our country is a small country, but maybe in other countries that have more area, maybe Africa recently had an earthquake, and maybe over there it depends how is the type of houses, how are the constructions. Sometimes it affects more people, and the intensity of the earthquake has to be this.
Have you ever lived like a strong earthquake?
Yes, in 1986, I was in high school. It was at noon, and it was the first time I had to live a strong earthquake. Then in 2001, we had one in January and another one in February. That was really intense.
Well, sounds frightening. Well, thanks, Miss. Okay.
Nice to
thank
meet you.
you.
Bye.
So right now we are interviewing many people. We would like to know if you guys think that earthquakes are bad for the planet.
Yes, I do think so because earthquakes destroy a lot of homes.
Yeah, I would definitely agree. Where do you think the biggest earthquake was?
Japan,
Those are some solid guesses. Yeah. How many earthquakes do you think happen a year?
50.
A lot,
Like 5,000.
like 2,000.
Okay, guys. Thanks for answering our questions.
You're welcome.
All right.
Bye.
So, as you may have seen, many people think that earthquakes are bad for the planet. And here we go for some fun facts. Earthquakes involve the powerful movement of rocks in the Earth's crust. the rapid release of energy creates seismic waves that travel through the earth. Very interesting. Now let's see what the thought bubble thinks about this. So it says that scientists use the different speeds of seismic waves to locate the epicenter, which is where the earthquake comes from, originated. Thanks a lot, Thought Bubble. Alright guys, that was it for this video. Thanks for watching and tune in for next time. This has been Crash Course Earthquakes. Hope you guys enjoyed. Right, Mr. Luna?